Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another installment of my Black Zodiac series. It's going to be the Serpent. So if you like to see what I do, just keep on watching. Okay, quick little info about the Serpent is it's from June 21st through July 22nd, which is coinciding with Cancer. The Serpent is the symbol of wisdom and deceit. You are both cunning and clever. People may regard you as low, wretched, and maybe even repulsive, but you know how to use these to your advantage. Trust is a weakness that you can exploit outstandingly. Your virtues are insidious and your ways are elegant. Sorry, I cannot speak today, apparently. So I am going to be basing this look off of a snake. I know my last look was Basilisk, which was kind of based off of a snake, but it was loosely more so, and this one's going to be a lot more intense, snake-wise, I suppose. I did cover my brows. I didn't, worry about blending out the color, covering the color of my brows too much because I'm going to be using face paint on top of it. Yeah. Okay. I am going to be going into the CC Beauty Cream Paint Palette, and I'm going to be mixing the yellow and the green and some of the white to do the center of my face. And then for the outside of my face, it's going to be a couple shades of blue, just kind of like from the light green, yellow fading out into those colors. So yeah, I'm going to get started on that. Okay, now I'm going to mix this blue and the white to kind of make it a lighter, and then I'll go just straight in with this blue.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future.
Now that I'm looking a little crazy for a second, I am going to also drag the blue actually more down along the sides of my neck and stuff as well.
Evolution.
Sorry if you could hear a bunch of stuff in the background. It's my kids and my cats. So I'm going to just be using this blue shade and do the outside perimeters of everything. And then right here I am going to be doing just yellow, but I'm going to be doing that after.
This is the future. Human error.
Okay, now I'm going to put just the yellow on the center of my neck.
Evolution. is the future. Evolution.
Okay, this is already taking forever, but I'm going to put this wig cap on over my face to do some scales along the outer perimeters. I am going to be mixing a combo of the blue and the red to make a purple to do this. So I'm actually kind of hating the scales, so I think I might just blend it out.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
Okay, that is much better. Now I'm going to finish setting it because I did start setting the rest of it with the Coty Airspun powder in the shade Extra Coverage Translucent or something like that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I think before I finish off my base, I want to quickly focus on my eyes because that way some of that powder is sticking oddly to the paint, so I don't know what is going on. And I'm literally covered in powder right now, and I had to answer the door like this. Oh goodness. Okay. I think I'm going to grab the shade Starry Eyed on a Wet n Wild blending brush and tap this on the crease of my eye. And not so much the crease, actually probably right underneath the brow bone. Also running it on the lower portion of my eye. My lower lash line, what am I saying? Okay, it is raining buckets outside. Oh my goodness, it's just one of those days. I'm going to take the shade Fine China. And I'm going to pack it all over my lid and blend it up into the crease as well. I'm going to take my blending brush and pack some of it on there and then sweep it into the crease. Forgot that the shade gives me trouble. Awesome. Which it is doing right now. It's just kind of blending away. I'm also going to run some of this on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the shade Clued In and I'm going to pop that on the outer corners of my eyes. Also on the lower lash line. Only about halfway though. Actually, no. Yeah. Sorry if I'm glaring a bunch, but this is what it's looking like so far. Okay, now I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Mega Liner and I'm going to do a winged liner, but then I'm also going to do an inner winged liner downward.
This is the future. Human error. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
Okay, now I'm going to add some, I think, black detail along the outer edges. I'm going to use the black cream face paint and I'm going to do like stripes, but I'm going to have them kind of fading.
This is the future.
Okay, now I'm going to be taking the brown out of the palette and I'm going to be doing details along the yellow.
Evolution. future. Evolution.
Okay, so I threw on a pair of WLEEC Beauty lashes in the style of 36, and I'm going to be popping on my lipstick right now. This is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit lipstick in the shade Darkness Falls. Okay, now I'm going to take a very skinny brush like this, and I'm going to take some of that lipstick, and I'm going to extend the outer edges of my lips. Do I hate it? Maybe. I'm trying to think if I want some of that black detail right here at my chin too, like I did here. Or would that totally... Gotta ponder that for a second. That might completely mess it up. Okay, so I think I might just throw on a wig and then see if I want to do anything else, and I will be right back. Oh my goodness, I almost knocked over my light. Okay, so I also threw on a jacket and this wig. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. Sorry if some of the detail gets hidden by the wig, but layer. Yeah, so that's the end of this video. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, or if you want to, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.